solve the equation using the complete the square method. So we do this by first collecting the terms that are involved in completing the square and moving everything else away. So I'm subtracting the 4 to the right. There are two basic approaches to completing the square. One is the pattern. The pattern is the completed square form is x, and half of the coefficient of the x term, half of 6 is 3. And then recognizing that if I were to FOIL out this x plus 3 squared, I would get x squared plus 6x plus 9. And we're missing that 9 term, so these are not equivalent yet. If I add 9 to both sides, then I can make this transition from this perfect square trinomial to its factored form. The right side is 9 minus 4 is 5. The other approach is you take, doesn't matter the color, you take the plus 6 and you always do the same 2 steps, divide by 2 and square it, and that gives you the 9. You add that to both sides. The benefit of that method is it's just a quick formula to work out. The benefit is this other approach is it also gets you the factored form quickly. So either way, you can either do half of that and then take that number and square it to get the 9, or you can work out the 9 and then factor. This is completing the square. The instructions are solve using the complete the square method. So now that we've completed the square, we can go into the next steps of solve, which would be a square root plus minus. We have x plus 3 equals plus or minus square root of 5. And then subtract the 3, and I put that in front of the plus minus. And we have x equals negative 3 plus or minus square root of 5. You could take it like that as the answer, or you could write it separated, negative 3 plus square root of 5, comma, negative 3 minus square root of 5, either way. Okay.